Legislative jobs. These are the positions that sit at the heart of how laws are made. People working in this category are directly involved in drafting, debating, and passing the rules that govern an entire country or region. Senators, members of parliament, and congressional representatives all fall here. They are elected by the public, which means their role depends on public trust. Beyond the elected figures, there are also staff members, researchers, and legal advisors who work behind the scenes to help shape policy. Without this branch functioning properly, no new law can be officially created or changed. Executive jobs. This category covers the people responsible for actually running the government day to day. The president, prime minister, governors, and mayors are the most visible faces of executive work, but the category goes much deeper than that. Cabinet ministers, department secretaries, and their entire teams of administrators carry out decisions made at the top. Their job is not just to lead, but to manage, to make sure that what gets decided in meetings actually happens on the ground. Executive roles are some of the most demanding in any government system because they require both vision and the ability to manage large organizations. Judicial jobs. These positions exist to interpret the law and ensure it is applied fairly. Judges, magistrates, and justices work within court systems at every level, from small local courts all the way up to Supreme or constitutional courts. Their job is not to make laws, but to decide what existing laws actually mean in specific real-world situations. Clerks, public defenders, prosecutors, and court administrators also belong to this category. Every case that goes through a court system passes through the hands of people working in judicial government roles. Law enforcement jobs. This is one of the most visible categories of government work. Police officers, detectives, sheriffs, and federal agents are all part of this group. Their primary responsibility is to maintain order, investigate crimes, and protect citizens. Different units within law enforcement handle different types of situations. Traffic enforcement, organized crime, counterterrorism, and border security each require specialized training and different tools. The work is carried out at local, national, and international levels, often with different agencies working in coordination.
Military jobs. The military employs some of the largest government workforces in the world. Soldiers, sailors, Air Force personnel, and Marines protect national borders and respond to threats both at home and abroad. But the military is not only about combat. Within any armed force, there are doctors, engineers, intelligence analysts, logistics coordinators, and communications specialists. Each person plays a role in keeping the larger operation functional. Military careers often come with unique structures, strict hierarchies, and their own systems of rank and promotion. Diplomatic jobs. Diplomats work on behalf of their country in foreign nations. Ambassadors are the most senior figures in this category, representing their government at the highest level in another country. Below them are consular officers, attachés, and embassy staff who help citizens abroad, manage visa processes, and maintain communication between governments. Diplomatic work requires deep knowledge of international relations, language skills, and the ability to navigate complex political environments with patience and precision. Intelligence jobs. Intelligence agencies exist in most governments and employ people whose work is rarely made public. Analysts, field officers, cybersecurity specialists, and counterintelligence experts all operate within this category. Their job is to gather information, assess threats, and provide government leaders with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. Intelligence roles often require security clearances and involve long periods of careful, quiet work rather than dramatic action. The goal is almost always prevention rather than response. Public health jobs. Governments run extensive health systems that require enormous workforces. Doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and medical researchers employed by public institutions fall under this category. Beyond clinical roles, there are also public health administrators, epidemiologists, and health inspectors who monitor disease trends, regulate food safety, and respond to outbreaks. During health crises, these roles become some of the most critical in any government system. Their work shapes the physical well-being of entire populations.
Education jobs. Public school teachers, university professors employed by state institutions, curriculum developers, and school administrators are all government workers in this category. Education departments at the national and regional level also employ policy writers, budget planners, and research teams focused on improving how people learn. In many countries, tax and revenue jobs. Governments cannot function without funding, and the people who manage that funding make up a large and essential category. Tax collectors, revenue agents, financial auditors, and customs officers all work to ensure that money flows into public systems correctly. They process returns, investigate fraud, manage imports and exports, and keep detailed financial records. This work is largely invisible to the average person, but directly determines how much money is available for every other government function, from building roads to paying salaries. Infrastructure and public works jobs. Civil engineers, urban planners, construction inspectors, and maintenance crews employed by the government are responsible for the physical environment people live in. Roads, bridges, water systems, public parks, and government buildings all fall under their management. These workers plan new projects, oversee construction, and maintain existing structures over time. Their work is long-term by nature. Infrastructure built today is expected to serve communities for decades, which makes careful planning and consistent maintenance essential parts of the job.
Social services jobs. Social workers, welfare administrators, child protection officers, and housing coordinators make up this category. Their role is to support people who are going through difficult circumstances: poverty, abuse, disability, unemployment, or family breakdown. Government social services exist to create a safety net for citizens who need help. The work requires both administrative skill and genuine human empathy. Caseloads can be heavy and the situations complex, but the impact of this work is direct and deeply personal for the people receiving support. Environmental and regulatory jobs. These positions exist to protect natural resources and enforce rules that govern industries. Environmental inspectors, wildlife officers, water quality analysts, and land use regulators all work within this category. They monitor factories, issue permits, investigate pollution, and respond to environmental damage. Regulatory bodies also oversee industries like banking, telecommunications, and food production to ensure companies follow the rules set by the government. Without this layer of oversight, both the natural world and public markets would operate with far less accountability.